Nice.
Now let's make this chicken.
Let's show y'all how to get it going from the beginning. So we're gonna assume that everybody know to take this out. Right down here, break that bone out. Because we're gonna spatchcock it. Let it lay out on that grill or your smoker flat. Line that baby up. So you can see it now. Look at that. Get them chicken shears. What we gonna do now, we're gonna break that back. See that? And then the only thing we gonna do, we just gonna clean this off and salt that all up. Let it sit in the refrigerator, air dry, just like that, for a day. Or if you got time, do it for 2 days. These chickens in brine. This one was a 48-hour brine. This one, a 24-hour. So we're gonna do 2 different things to them. Darryl's Carribean rub on this baby here. But you know, I had a taste for some jerk chicken. I said, you know, I'm gonna make it myself. I'm gonna put a description for this rub in the description box. I can try it yourself, remix it, let me know what's happening, what I'm missing, you know, help me out. See, look at how all that seasoning gonna be in the inside of the chicken. That's why we spatchcock it. Yeah, see, that looks nice and covered. We're gonna keep this one super plain that anybody can do it. Everybody know how to do salt and pepper. So that's why we salt brined it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And now we just gonna put some pepper on here and that's it. It don't get no simpler than this, y'all. Hey, baby, you know, you gotta know the back way. I don't want you to sneeze. Don't sneeze on the chicken.
Yeah, I don't want to.
You know me, I got that spice nose, so it ain't gonna do nothing to me.
Bother you.
All right, we got this stuff all seasoned up. I'm just gonna get this smoker fired up. We gonna get ready to go, y'all. Have us some fun. We outside. I'm doing an open fire today. Took out the water pan. So we're gonna do this almost like how the pit barrel cooks. Just open fire. Juice is gonna be dripping down and then dripping back up with flavor. I got applewood and I got hickory on here. Put this jerk one, Caribbean one on first. And this salt and pepper. Salt and pepper one look good. Plain Jane look good. They just laid out. Just sprawled out. I'm gonna let them rock out for about a couple of hours, check on them. Hopefully it's time to take off. And y'all know how we do. Want to taste it. All right. See how this side looks. Okay, babe. Okay. Ooh. I'm surprised at the color that salt and pepper is putting out.
Oh, that smell. Oh,
So,
my God.
Let it do its thing for about another half an hour.
Action.
We just got finished with these. Now, you know what I'm shocked at, y'all? This that salt and pepper. Look how good that came out. Let's turn it over.
Wow.
Ooh.
It's beautiful.
Looking at the juices that's coming from there. And this is our jerk one. Let's see the other side. I am really amazed at how the color came out on this with just salt and pepper and no paprika or sugar or nothing to help brown it up. Wow. That's plain salt and pepper, y'all.
That's it.
Wow. Come to my favorite part of the show. Got my chicken, cabbage, my beans and rice. So this is the jerk chicken. Let me see what it's working with. Nice and tender, juicy. Red beans and rice on point. Red cabbage and green cabbage together. Oh. Baby, this cabbage is it right here. Oh, man. Think I came up with something on that cabbage. Let me taste a little bit of this salt and pepper chicken. Look at that.
Oh, juiciness.
Yeah, you can hear it. Hey, y'all. Salt and pepper is a hit. Now, this is how you make the breast. Look at that. That overnight salt brine do, y'all. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Chickens.
Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.